Hi, this is 3OTSC coursework. SQLite Chinook Chinook CW.java is the code for server-side application. So once I run this one, the server will start running. So here the server is ready to connect to the client. So here I implemented the client side application. So in client side application, the GUI is made using Swing, and there's a client handler thread which uses array list for temporary data storage from the server to the client side, and uses socket, and it can establish multiple threaded connection. So once I run this client side, the GUI will be start running, and you can see that once this start running, whenever this GUI establishes the come up, it will establish the connection to the server, and once you click on load data, it will load the data. There's a function to disconnect this from the server. So once we disconnect it from the server, you can see it's waiting for connection to reset. So once I connect it again and load data, it will load up all the data again. So here the functionalities are add line, delete line, update line, and all the tracks. I implemented these tracks, albums, artist. All the tables are track, albums, and artist, and invoice is one of the function I generated here. So when I buy some of the thing, and if I go to invoice and generate invoice, it will generate the invoice with the track ID, item ID, and quantity and unit price for that, and in total it will write as it's not finished. It's not a fully implemented function, but I try to implement this one as a nice to have thing. And as add line, I can add new lines to the track. So for example, if I add with my name and track ID is something integer, and if I make changes, it will make changes to the last server, last track ID, which is 3511. It's like Mozilla kind of written here. So in case if I want to delete some lines, I can delete lines by 2990. I deleted, and if I sync changes, 290 will be gone from this. If I want to update something, I can update that specific file by clicking on here. Yeah, I can do that by clicking on here. So here you can see the changes I made, and here one functionality I added is I can buy things here. So if I want to buy a couple of tracks, I can buy that, and I can print it off. So as I'm not connected to any printer, it's opening up Adobe PDF, so I'll just print it out. So printing is in process. So I'll print to Java programming. I'll just open it up as usual. So now you can see it printed out the file with only the tracks which I need, and albums, artist, everything is same as the tracks. So this is how I implemented the program. Thank you.